It's becoming easier than ever to make money online these days, and I want to prove it to you by showing one of the easiest methods I've found to make money online. What I'm going to show you today involves clicking, and when you click, you earn. This method does not involve any investment costs, tech skills, a camera, products, or selling. All you have to do is click, and that is how you're going to earn. You can do this in any country across the entire world, and there's zero investment. This is 100% free. If you try to do this yourself by going to the website without knowing what to do, you're only going to make a few cents per click. But if you watch this video all the way through and follow everything step by step, I will show you this one easy trick that will allow you to generate more income per website that you choose to click on. But before we get into the video, welcome to Cashflow Worldwide, where I show you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. Please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that I upload to teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. And make sure to smash that like button and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns related to this video. Okay, let's get back into it. The first thing to do is search for youlikehits.com. This works for when you go onto certain websites, you will be able to earn points. But this isn't the only website we will be using. If you actually want to start making some real money rather than just a few cents here and there, whether it's in PayPal money or whatever type of payment you prefer, please make sure that you watch this video to the very end so you can learn which platforms you need to use in order to make the most amount of money possible using this method. Otherwise, you won't be able to exchange the points that you earn for real cash to then be sent to your bank account. This is going to be very straightforward and simple. So you need to go back to youlikehits.com and click on the sign up button to create your account completely for free. Next, you're going to want to create a username, enter an email and password, and then click on the box to confirm that you are a human and then click on sign up. As you can see, it's quite simple and straightforward and 100% free. If you're getting value from this video, please hit that like button and click subscribe. Let's get back to the video. Now for the second step, after you've created your free account, you will want to log into your new account and you will see the home screen that looks something like this. You can see your points here and your username here. You will want to go over to where it says earn points and hover over it and then go down and click on where it says website hits. This is exactly how you're going to go on websites and start earning money. But remember, watch through the whole video to see how to transfer to your bank account, because you'll notice that there isn't any withdrawal button on here. So you'll need to do something in order to actually exchange your points for money. But it's okay. There is nothing that you need to sell, which is why this will be so simple and straightforward. Anyways, what you're going to do is head over here and click on visit right here. This will direct you to a new website where it will show you the timer for 15 seconds that you need to wait for it to end. Once the timer hits 0, you'll be able to close this page and receive your points to your account. So as you can see, we received this many points to the account. So now all you need to do is just keep repeating this process to receive the most amount of points you'd like. The more points you have, the more money you'll be able to make and withdraw to your bank account. So that is the end of step 2. And next I'll show you what to do for step 3. But before we do that, I'll give you a brief recap of what I just showed you. Step number 2 is to log into your account. And step number 3 is to browse through those websites and click on visit to start earning your points. Next, I'll show you the most crucial part of this process, which will be the withdrawing your money. You're probably wondering how you'll be able to exchange your points for real money. And this can be in several different payment options, whether it's PayPal or something else that you prefer. So, how do you actually get your money from youlikehits.com? Like I mentioned previously, once you start visiting sites and collecting points, there is no withdraw button on the website, which is why you'll need to use a separate platform, which I'll show you right now. And don't worry, this is not complicated whatsoever. It's very straightforward, so make sure that you follow this to the end of the video to implement this and start earning your money. For step number 4, you will want to go over to cpalead.com. You will want to click on the sign up button in the top right corner and create a free account. After you've created your account and logged in, it will look like this. This is the main dashboard. You will want to go to the sidebar here and click on Offers. This will open up several different offers on this CPA marketplace. CPA stands for cost per action. This essentially means that this process involves referring someone to a particular URL where they will have to sign up on that website for free. They don't have to make any sort of investment or spend any money whatsoever. All they need to do is enter their name and email to become a lead, which is a lot easier than selling something to them. So what we need to do is get our referral link. We will scroll down and you can see all these dozens of different offers that have different price payouts for you when you refer people to them. Some offers pay better than others, so it's completely up to you to decide which ones you'd like to refer people to. So as an example, we will select this one. So as you can see, this one is this amount per lead that you refer to this site. The person submitting their email doesn't have to spend any money, and they have a chance to win this when they submit their email completely for free. This is very appealing, especially because you aren't selling anything here and everything involved in this process is completely free. All you need to do is copy the referral link right here and share it for people to click on where they sign up and submit their email and name they have a chance to win whatever this site is providing, which will then allow you to get paid. After you've copied your referral link, you'll want to shorten it. So first copy that referral link, then head over to bit.ly.com where you will then shorten that link and make it a shareable link for people to click on. This is completely optional, but I highly recommend it because people are a lot less likely to click on a long, ugly link. So all you do is copy your long URL link, paste it here in this box, and then click on Shorten. So now you have your new shortened link, which will take you to the exact same page as the long link. This is just going to result in a lot more people clicking on this new short link. So step 5 is shortening that long referral link. After you've completed that, we will now begin step number 6. For step number 6, you will go over to twitter.com and create a free Twitter account. Signing up to Twitter is completely free. And don't worry, you don't need any followers or likes or anything of the sort. The only reason we are using this site is to exchange our points from youlikehits.com to real cash for you to put in your pocket. This should not take long at all, so make sure that you stick to the end so you know how to do this correctly. After you've created your new Twitter account, you will want to create a post that looks something like this: brand new giveaway. Then you can also add a few emojis like I did here that's related to the offer from cpalead.com. And then your call to action right here. This is where you're going to put your shortened bit.ly link for people to click on. Then you just click on tweet and boom, you're done. That's the end of step 6. Time for step 7. After you post that tweet on your Twitter account, you just have to click on that tweet and copy the URL link right here. When people click on this URL, this will direct people to this tweet that you just posted. After they click on that shortened bit.ly link and sign up, that's when you're going to get paid. So now what you need is traffic, or in other words, lots of people to head over to your link and sign up. So to do that, you will head back on over to youlikehits.com, and depending on how many points you've earned so far, you can exchange these for Twitter retweets. This is exactly how you'll be able to withdraw the money that you've earned. This is how you will transfer your points for real money to be sent through your preferred payment option. So every single website that you visit will equal 1 Twitter retweet. And for those who don't know what a Twitter retweet is, basically it's just a share where someone will share your tweets on their Twitter account for other people to see and click on. So let me show you an example. If I go over to retweets, people who will be retweeting your tweet most likely have a lot of followers that they will be able to share your tweet to. So when their followers see their retweet and see that there is a free giveaway with your shortened bit.ly link, they are very likely to click on that to enter for the free giveaway, which means you will get paid. It's completely free for them to do so why wouldn't they? It will literally take them a few seconds to sign up. So what you will do is copy your Twitter ID right here and then paste it in this box right here and click on Add Tweet. After you've done this, other people who are signed up for youlikehits.com will retweet your tweet for their followers to see and click on. That's all you have to do. If you'd like to earn more points to get more tweets for people to click on your link, all you've got to do is hover over Earn Points and click on Website Hits, where you will just continue visiting those websites provided to continue earning points. That's essentially what the process looks like overall. You visit these websites where you will then earn points to be able to exchange for Twitter retweets, where your post will be shared to their followers, who will then be able to click on your short bit.ly link and sign up for a free giveaway. And every time they sign up, you get paid. Like I mentioned previously, you aren't selling anything, and this is all completely for free. You just need to set this up once and continue visiting these different websites so you can earn as much money as you like with youlikehits.com. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and click on subscribe, as well as the notification bell, so you are notified every time we upload a new video for you about new ways on how to make money online. Here is another video for you to check out if you'd like to learn about another way to make money online right now. So click on it right here to start watching.